Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gojo Maximum Jujutsu Infinite. First, understand that this ability is a fundamental aspect of Gojo Satoru's Limitless curse technique. It doesn't just stop opponents, it creates an infinitely expanding space between Gojo and his target, effectively slowing them to a near standstill. This makes it incredibly difficult for any attack or individual to reach him, providing an unparalleled defensive and offensive advantage in combat scenarios. The core mechanic of Infinite is fascinating, drawing inspiration from Zeno's paradox. Imagine an opponent trying to reach Gojo. Infinite continuously divides the distance between them, ensuring they always cover one-half the remaining distance, but never truly arrive. This isn't just a visual effect. It's a fundamental manipulation of space itself. It can be deployed as a passive defense, making Gojo untouchable, or actively to trap and incapacitate targets, setting them up for further attacks. Strategic application of Infinite is crucial for maximizing its impact. It's best activated proactively, often before an opponent can even launch their first attack, effectively neutralizing their offensive capabilities from the outset. This creates valuable openings, allowing you to prepare and execute your own powerful techniques without interruption. For instance, immobilizing a target for a critical 5 to 10 seconds can set up a devastating follow-up, like a direct hit from curse technique reversal, red ensuring a decisive victory. For advanced users, mastering Infinite involves more than just passive defense. You can learn to selectively allow specific objects or individuals to pass through the barrier, demonstrating incredible control. Furthermore, integrating Lapse Blue allows you to actively pull targets into the infinite void, crushing them with immense gravitational force. The ultimate mastery involves maintaining Infinite's effects while simultaneously preparing for a full domain expansion, like Unlimited Void, which traps opponents in an inescapable realm of infinite information, ensuring absolute victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.